I've had this red tread bicycle for over 30 years, more like 35, and everything on it is original, except for the tires. I thought this was a leather seat, but I'm realizing it's not. It's all cracked up and ripped now. It's seen much better days. It's time to replace this seat. It's an easy fix that anybody can do, but first I want to put some tape there. Just take some masking tape. It can be blue, white, mark that off so you're not spending a lot of time figuring out where your seat post is, and then just pop it off. So I'll take this inside and swap out the seat. Since this is greasy, I'm just going to take some cling wrap and run it around the seat stem. You'll notice for the red shred, it's an all-in-one component. Some seats will come with this piece here, but it wouldn't have helped me at all. I'm using a number 9 Allen wrench and just loosening it up. Taking a marker, marked here and here. I've also the position here on the sides to make sure I know right where. Get it in the ballpark. Every seat is different and the profile is probably going to be adjusted, but you got to start somewhere. Here's a closer look at how it works on the top. You got this piece that sits on there like that. You got the bolt that goes through here like that, and then this piece and this piece sit down. Just a really interesting design. I'm into designs. Speaking of designs, here's a 30 to 40-year-old seat compared to the new seat. High middle quality seat. Got cut up here. Started peeling off there for quite a while. It was just glued on. Certainly didn't have this vent. All the seats now have that vent. And here is budget seat, but highly rated. Just wanted to get one that wouldn't have to worry about somebody taking. Kind of a real stiff seat, depending on the angle. Pressure points between your legs. Not a good thing. Looks like they've alleviated that with this, and then the airflow coming through here. A really good thing. Overall, much different build. Here, this comes all the way down, almost like a saddle, and this is trimmed off. And here you have a gauge to help you out, although it's not on this side. It's just on the one side. We'll see how long it lasts. But now it's time to pitch this seat and go with the new. Rebuild this around the same location between the seats. Widthwise, they're about the same. Lengthwise, it's the same. You got this little flare here at the back for your tailbone that you don't have here. Put this piece on and the bolt. And once I get to a certain point, I can fine-tune the adjustment. The Allen wrench to help out. So we're going to try to line it up with the previous seat. So I'm measuring from the bend here to there. Not bad. And I'll just take a permanent marker and give it a starting point. Realign these two marks right about there as a starting point, because once you get it on the bike, you're probably going to have to adjust it again. Now it's time to take it back out, put it on the bike, and see what we have. Took the cling wrap off. There's some wiggling. That's where it was before. I think this was set up for my son. It's kind of a flat run. Take this tape off, bring it down a little bit more, and see what we got after we line it up. As for bike seat height, there's a whole bunch of thoughts and ideas on that. If you're just cruising around town, see if I can do this without falling down. You want the bike seat at the bottom of the crank, flat-footed, slight bend in the knee. That's the perfect height for the bike seat. If you're mountain biking, and that's why a lot of these mountain bikes have this quick release. If there's rough terrain, you don't want that seat pounding into you. So you'll lower the seat down if you're going over a bunch of rocks, just to give you more shock absorber in your legs. Now this is a hard front. There's no rock shock or anything in the front. So this is more of a cruiser bike. But in the day, this was the mountain bike to have. And as far as fore and aft, or from front to back, I kind of like sitting with my arms forward with a little bit of bend on it. My son is riding this. He's got a bigger frame, so he wants the bike seat back further. I'm about 5'8", 5'9". Length of arm, tips fingers on second hand from the horn of the seat. I just like it a little further back. That allows me to kind of bend down and get some good shock absorbing. Personal preference. But the only way we're going to know for sure is to give it a test run. On this channel, we're about safety. Always wearing a helmet when we're biking. You can always buy a new helmet. You can't buy a new head. Here we go. I was a little canted one way or the other, adjusted that, and I brought the horn or the front of the seat down just a little bit. I like my mountain bike seat or all my seats having a little slightly down profile. It's perfect. Even though this is one of the cheapest seats on the market, although extremely high rated, it's worth a shot. Waterproof, airflow through here, and it is so much more comfortable than the older seat. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of sports videos, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what fix, repair, or replacement you're gonna see.